Installing a double-width GPU adapter. To install the GPU adapter, align the GPU adapter with the connector on the PCIe riser and then carefully press it straight into the slot until it is securely seated and its bracket is also secure. Pull the plunger that secures the PCIe adapter retainer. Move the PCIe adapter retainer to the locked position. Secure the GPU adapter with 2 screws. Connect the power cable to the GPU adapter and PCIe riser. Reinstall the PCIe riser. Reinstall the crossbar. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover.